No, wait, I'm sorry. In this bandana tutorial. Oh gosh. Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, thanks so much for stopping by and watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more DIY sewing and fashion videos. And also turn the notification bell on so you don't miss out on a future upload. For my returning subscribers, what's going on, you guys? Thanks so much for watching. I am going to show you how to make this adorable Pom Pom headband and this bandana headband. Both of these headbands are pretty easy to make, but I did kind of mess them up, as you'll see at the end of the video. So yes, I will explain everything in the video, how to do it, and then at the end of the video, we'll talk more about it. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it. Let's just go ahead and start with the easiest headband in this tutorial, and it is the Pom Pom Headband. And this one, I got the headband from Dollar Tree, and I actually got these from Dollar Tree as well, and they were part of some pins that I got, and I just ripped these off. But you can get whatever size, whatever color you want, just be creative with it. And then I have my Fabri-Tac glue, which is great for lots of different projects, and you can get this at Joann. So all you're gonna do is put the glue on the pom-pom, and you're just gonna stick it wherever you want to. And you'll just have to hold it on there for a minute. So let's move on to the bandana headband. And this part is going to be a little tricky, I think, because I have this bandana headband that I made a while back, and I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to have enough material. And I'm not really sure that this is going to be enough material, but I'm going to try it and we're going to see. Let's just hope this is enough. This part doesn't have to be a certain size, but just make sure that it's enough for you to wrap around your headband. So I'm just going to cut approximately about how much I think I'll need. Hi, bud. Okay, you guys, I don't know. I was really worried about this. I just don't think it's going to work. I don't think it's wide enough. So here is the problem with this headband that I'm having so far. There is really not enough material, but I am determined to make a bandana headband out of this because it matches my skirt and I have this leftover material. I really want to use it. My measurements are going to be a little off because when I make this headband, it is going to be a little short on the side, you guys, and I am sorry, but that is just the way it is going to look. That, you know, like that is just the way it's going to turn out. I will give you my measurements for this, and it's just a square you cut out. It can be any size you want it to be, but let me go ahead and give you guys the measurements. So it's 9 inches by 10 inches. So if you want to do that size, you can. Just depends on how far down you want it to come on your headband. This, I really don't have enough material, but like I said, I'm determined to use it, so I am going to do my absolute best, you guys. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my material and fold it right sides together. I'm going to pin it all around and then sew it, and make sure you leave an empty space somewhere so you can turn it inside out. Guys, so I am slowly losing my patience with this because this is just not what I expected would happen. I mean, I kind of did, but the best I'm going to be able to do is probably, it's going to be a little bit shorter on the inside of the headband. But yeah, you're going to need more material than what I told you guys because this is way too difficult to try to do. So It's not going to reach all the way to the ends, but I am going to try my hardest. I'm just going to put glue on the headband. I'm just trying to even it up, you guys. I think that's all the glue I'm going to add because this part right here is going to be on the inside, so it's not really necessary. But originally what I wanted to do was I wanted to bring the material all the way to at least right here. But since it's on the inside, it doesn't matter as much, so it'll be fine. So let's try both these headbands on and see what they look like. The headbands are finished. So let me just show you guys what they look like. I'm not with it today, y'all. I'm gonna be really honest. I'm not like this in my videos, but I am just extremely disappointed, you know, in these videos. Like lately, I just feel that I'm not on top of it, and I've just been working so much and I'm just exhausted, and I'm trying to bring you guys new content every week. I am sorry that this video did not turn out great, but let's try them on, and I hope if you guys make them, they turn out better. I don't know why I'm having such a creative block. I can't believe I'm getting emotional over headbands. This just shows how exhausted I really am. So here is the first one, and this one I did get some glue on the pom-poms, and I got some glue on the top of the headband, so it's been a total crap show for this video, and I'm really sorry, but you guys get the general idea, and like I said, I hope yours turn out better than mine did. So here is what it looks like, and it is really cute. I do actually like it, and maybe I can get this glue off. If you guys know how to get glue off, please let me know. I really do like this headband. And here is the second one. I did not have enough material, you guys, and if you guys make this, you get the general idea of what to do and how to do it. At least I hope you do. But see, it's not long enough like I wanted it to be. I feel so bad uploading a tutorial video and then I don't even know how to do it. But yes, this is what it looks like, and it matches my skirt, so it's, you know, it's a nice accessory. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and sorry for getting upset in the video. I'm very stressed out, kind of at a crossroads with my YouTube, just trying to figure out where I want to take it and just why it's not really growing. Just feel kind of discouraged right now, I guess. But for the ones that do watch, I really do appreciate you, and the new subscribers, thank you guys so much for being patient with me while I'm learning and trying out new things. If you guys could just show me some grace, give this video a thumbs up, comment, tell me what you thought about my emotional breakdown in this video and the actual tutorial itself. I appreciate you guys, and Jack and I will see you in our next video.